and gentlemen. So, right. We're in Rio de Janeiro and we're doing a few fishing trips while we're here. Tomorrow morning, I'm getting picked up and we're going fishing in the deep blue. I don't really know much about it, I just know I'm getting picked up tomorrow at 5 in the morning and then we're going fishing.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. We're just waiting for our ride. It's 4:45 a.m. It's getting light and we're ready to go. How are you, man?
Amazonian guy.
Bom dia, amigo.
Yeah, how are you, my friend?
I'm good. There's a party in there.
Yeah, strong. Oh, man.
Tell you what, I know how some of them are feeling up there. Not very good. Me, on the other hand, feeling excellent. Here we are, ladies and gents. The big boy boat. Rod, 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 rod. Putting some sun cream on and he's only gone and driven into a bollard. Hopefully we can still fish. All good? Broke it.
Oh, man.
Water?
You can't go.
Can't go.
Throw them. Oh, man, it's so much.
That's okay. And we're going home. Geezer crashed into a bollard in the middle of the ocean and now we can't fish.
Joy.
Oh god, it's so early again. It's the next day. I've managed to find someone that's going to take me fishing. So, it's 5 a.m. again. He's picking me up in 10 minutes. And we're going to go fishing. Here we go.
Tony, right?
Yeah.
So you excited?
Yeah, man. Nice. Let's go, baby.
So this is squid fishing. You see that guy over there? He's gonna pull a squid out. We're gonna see if we can buy like 2 kilograms of fresh squid. Pô, a galera tá falando que tá saindo em todo... A luta pesca muito. Valeu!
So I think we're just trying to pick up some bait from some of these fishermen.
É na rota. Valeu! Bom dia, rapaziada! This is very good.
Yeah.
Baits.
Okay, so the plan is today is we're going to be out at sea for quite a long time, about 30 something hours. We're heading really far out. It's going to take us about 5 hours to get there now, and then we're going to stay there all day and all night on this boat, on this little boat. That's what we're doing. 36 hours out in the Atlantic Ocean.
Bom dia! Bom dia, tudo bem?
Look how blue that water is. More bait from the fishermen, because we're going to be out for a long time. Hopefully I don't get seasick, man. I have taken some motion sickness tablets, but you never know, so. getting a bit foggy now, as you can see. So we are heading about 150 knots out, going through the fog. I've already seen a couple of sharks, which is cool. Can't really get them on the camera, that's the problem. Just stopped because I've seen this thing. What's this?
It's a kind of like leaves that bundle up, and usually this is an excellent place for mahi mahi. Any floating object that we see, please keep a lookout, because any floating objects can make a fishing experience wonderful. So now we arrived at the first fishing position. I'll just make a sounder. You see, here is already the structure that we saw.
We're at the first spot, so we're gonna rig up and do some jig fishing, I think. See if we can catch a few fish, you know what I mean?
Are you seasick?
No, not yet.
Not yet.
Not yet. Yeah, that was good. Feel better in the water.
Yeah.
Two snapper.
Those are really, really good to eat in the oven, completely submerged by salt.
Snapper. What have we got?
Wow, nice fish.
Yeah.
That's really, really, really good to eat.
What's the
Namorado.
Namorado. Right, so we've caught a few little fish. Nothing crazy yet, but we're just getting started, baby.
Nice fish. Beautiful fish. Ai, o batata que ele pegou. You're surprising me on a slow jig.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's usually a lot more difficult.
Patatas.
Okie dokie. Wow! That's good, 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 good. Push. Big one. Big one.
Oh.
Yo.
Enamorado.
My friend.
How big do you reckon this is?
6 kilos, 5 kilos and a half.
5 kilos. Enamorado. Okay. Muito bom!
When we get to the oil rig platform, it's a completely different type of fishing.
Just
I
enjoy
think we should go to the oil rig platform.
Yeah. I think that's a good way to finish it anyway. Yeah, nice big one. Quickly jump in before we leave.
Yeah.
Look at it, man. Right, so we're going to leave here and go to the oil rig. We're different kind of fishing now. We've been doing like deep sea fishing, like deep jigging and stuff. It's been good. Had a few fish, as you can see. Had that big one just a moment ago. Now I'm just cooling off in the middle of the ocean. And now we're going to go to the oil rig where we can catch some different fish. Mahi, maybe it's a marlin or something. We'll see. Let's get out. Big boy. All the fish so far going in this little container. Look at that big boy. I'm actually feeling mad seasick, you know. Trying to we move. So we're on our way to the oil rig, and this is where we're gonna stay tonight. Yeah. So hopefully it's calmer than this. This is horrendous. No big uns yet. We have been moving for so long now. It's basically night time. I'm kind of tired and I'm thinking we've got a whole another 15 hours of this. I'm not even sure if you can't even just be like, oh, I want to go home. He's not even brought any fucking food. Yeah, it's a lot, but hopefully it's worth it. This is the oil rig, just plotted up here in the middle of the ocean. We're gonna fish up against it, I guess. So what do? You're fishing up against the oil rig, or you're you're driving around the oil rig?
Ways we can drive around, we can fish the throwing metal jigs,
Yeah.
or poppers. We're gonna try them all.
You want a jig? Yeah. What are you doing? You jigging on the bottom, or?
The bottom here is more than 1 kilometer deep.
So what do you do?
Or
Basically electric. How far down do you do?
100 meters, maybe a little bit more, 150.
What are you trying to fish for with the jig around here?
Tuna. Let it reach 100 meters and jig it up. Let's see who catches the first one.
Let's see. Is it the same method that we were
No.
doing?
This is actually a lot more rush here. For
Rushing?
example, you'll accelerate and do like this. Yeah, but while you accelerate. We have a fresh tuna. Oh! Tuna. Opa, opa.
Wow. Tuna.
Nice tuna, my friend. You got it too?
Yeah.
Woo! Tuna sashimi, baby!
There it is. Oi!
The knife.
Woo! Sushi!
Yeah, man! Woo! Yellowfin tuna?
Come on.
Oh! You okay? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
That's why.
This is what we've harvested so far.
Whoa! Sorry. I should have told you. Sorry.
Just come around the other side of the ship. That's what it looks like. I feel like a pirate about to take the mothership. These waves. Oh my god.
Almost.
Try, but I've never used one of these before. Gotcha. Oh, we've caught loads of tuna. 4:10 in the morning. I've spent the whole day and night a little bit seasick. That's probably why you haven't heard much commentary from me. But I'm getting better.
Fish. Tuna.
We're just circling this boat at the moment, this big oil rig, trying to catch a big one.
There we go. Go, para o barco, cara. Sorry. Tuna! It's very good for them.
Yeah, so. Yeah?
Yeah. Big tuna. Not giving up that easy.
No.
Oh, that's too bad.
Always the big ones that get away.
There you go. Tuna?
Maybe tuna.
You want to give it back or shall we eat it?
We're making our way home. Driving the boat home, baby. It's just me, Captain T, all aboard. It's now really hot. It was cold before. I'm so tired, man. So we're almost home. Man, feel absolutely fucked. I barely spoke in this film because I was just ill. Maybe I'll do a voiceover or something. It's been an eventful couple of days. Alright people, we're back home. Zero sleep. Bit of a letdown, to be honest. I absolutely stink. Alright, listen, I'm gonna have to go through this footage and I might have to do a voiceover or something to tell you what's going on in this video. Because I was just out of it, man. I got so seasick. Big time. I felt sick the whole time. I was there for 36 hours. So I tried my best to have fun. But man, does it feel good to be back here. I'm gonna have a shower, sort my life out. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe for more.